imagine that we are sitting here today after our friendship has crossed around 20 years, more than 20 actually, but sitting here today feels surreal.
Since class 5, from 2005 or 6 to 2025. It's crazy. And you know what's crazier is me working with you.
Yeah,
I can't imagine.
neither can I.
So, you know, when we had this first conversation, when I had that phone call with you,
Yeah,
I always knew that, okay, your family has a solar company. It's called Sova Solar. And of course, as friends, we don't go much into the details. But when you had that conversation with me and Aman, and we thought that, okay, we'll be looking at it in some marketing aspects, first it was hard for me to digest that. Okay, it felt surreal that, okay, we have a company, you have a company, and we are going to work with you.
yeah.
It was strange, different, but here we are. It's been almost, I think, 1.5 years
I think
that
yeah,
that we
around
have been
around yeah.
working together. So, how did it feel to you? Why did you make that phone call?
That's a very really sweet story I have, because see, I've known you as a person who was very shy, right? But what that has changed obviously, thanks to Aman. And so when I heard that both of you, being such young entrepreneurs, have started such a beautiful journey together, so what I decided, so why not do it with a friend? Why does work always have to feel like work? It can also feel like fun, right? So I thought, let's give it a chance. And that was a really good decision that I took, I think, because in this 1.5 years, what we have done together, what we have achieved, how you have helped us portray Shobha and our emotions linked with it has really helped us. So thank you for that.
You know, coming from you, that makes it even more special. But to be honest, I had my own reasons for working with Shova, and that has got nothing to do with you being my friend. So that is what makes the project special. But honestly, when we spoke to you, we spoke to Dr.
Yeah.
Mukherjee, we spoke to your brother, and we understood that Shova is not just a company who is into solar panel manufacturing or providing, solar services to people.
Yeah.
The deep history that you have, naming the company after your grandmother, being more than a panel manufacturer, or being energy consultants or energy providers to companies, and the legacy,
Yeah.
that is the story that you have, that made me feel like this is something marketers should surely work with. Like, it's really a privilege for us to work with Shobha.
Thank you.
And right now, like, you would be the better person, but I really want you to tell our audience that what is it that you feel for Shobha going ahead, because see,
Yeah.
your father, your brother, they have built the base of the company,
Right.
but you have come in as this generation. What do you feel about your company going
So,
ahead?
yeah, thank you for asking this question, because I think people need to know that this energy sector is growing really fast, and the government is pushing it
Mhm.
so that India can become energy independent in very close future, like 2030. So, what as Shobha we are trying to do is add to this market something that will last longer, something that gives value not only just for the sake of business, but also adding value in the longer run. By saying, what I mean by saying is that we have to provide more than just panels. We have to provide a vision to our customers, so that they can believe in us and believe in the government that yes, uh, the sustainability is real. Because earlier what we were doing was we were using fossil fuels, right? And
Mhm.
it was not only harming the environment, it was also creating a lot of friction. But what the sustainable energy sector is doing, it's giving it hope for the future generation who will come after us. They will see that yes, these people have done something for the planet itself. We are trying to add to that. We are trying to add to this bigger picture and be a small part of it. We do not want everything, but we want to be an important part of it.
I think you have truly described the spirit of Shova Solar. And as I told you, the reason why it has been such a pleasure is at Marketers, again, as you said, you are just not making panels, you want to do beyond that. For me, when Aman and I started Marketers, it was like there are so many agencies. They do digital marketing, branding, social media, a hell lot of things. But for us, it is more important that we bring the story out of for the brand to the common
Yeah,
masses.
yeah. I would like to interrupt, and here I would like to actually thank Aman, because the way he introduced marketers to the world by going to that height and doing it all, and creating an image which actually has a story. It's not just a company, just another marketing brand in the market, but it has a value behind it. It has a story behind it. So I'll congratulate you both for doing this, because it's not easy. I come from a business family, but both of you don't. You have started it on your own, and it takes a lot of guts to do this. So
And
congratulations.
and I think congrats to you too, because even though we are in this modern world right now, I still know how difficult it is for a woman to survive in a business space. And when I see you as my friend, holding such an important position in a completely, what I could say, a B2B company, that too into the clean energy space, people have generally not seen women fulfill
Right.
these roles, and that too at such a young age. So whenever Shobha achieves something, you achieve something, it fills both our hearts with pride, and to know that we play any kind of tiny role into bringing this journey to the
Thank
people.
you so much.
And we are going to come up with a lot more crazy ideas, and we are
Looking
going to
forward to it.
make sure that Shobha is a name which is etched into the hearts of every Indian who knows solar in
Thank
the
you.
years to come. And again, thank you for being my friend, and thank you that we are able to go on this journey together. And yes, it's been 20 years, but I really look forward to, I don't know how long we'll be
But as
alive.
long as we are
As
alive.
long as we are alive, I look forward to this
Same here,
journey.
same here.
And
I'm so
so,
grateful that we can do this together.
absolutely, I think it's written by God, because these things
Absolutely.
can't just be a sheer
No,
coincidence.
cannot.
So, this is one of the very first conversations that we have put out in public.
Many more to come.
But many more to come, definitely. So, thank you everyone
Thank you. Thank
for
you.
watching us.